Are you worried that your retirement savings won't stretch far enough, but at the same time, you don't want to chain yourself to a year-round job? You're not alone. Many retirees are looking for ways to bring in some income in short, concentrated bursts without sacrificing their freedom. One option that fits that description well is tax preparation. It's short-term, in-demand, and focused. Let's take a closer look. At its core, tax preparation is about helping people file their annual returns. You meet with individuals, or sometimes small businesses, review their documents, enter information into tax software, and make sure they get the deductions they're entitled to while staying fully compliant with IRS rules. The good news is you don't need to be a CPA or have an accounting degree to do this work. For retirees who are detail-oriented, patient, and comfortable with computers, tax preparation can be a very approachable side hustle. The rhythm of the work also makes it attractive. The busiest time is January through mid-April. After that, demand slows down significantly. This means you can throw yourself into the work for 12 to 14 weeks and then enjoy long stretches of time free for travel, hobbies, or family. The work is mentally focused, not physically demanding, which is another reason it can be a good fit later in life. Increasingly, tax preparation is being done remotely. You can log into secure portals, meet clients over video or phone, and exchange documents digitally. For retirees who don't want to commute, that's a big advantage. But traditional in-person offices are still very common. Storefront locations and community offices often see back-to-back clients during peak weeks, and they give you the chance to work alongside colleagues. The choice really comes down to whether you prefer the independence of remote work or the energy of a team environment. Most people start by joining big tax firms like H&R Block, Liberty, or Jackson Hewitt. These companies run training programs in the fall that usually last 8 to 10 weeks, about 60 hours in total. Some of these courses are free if you agree to work a season. Others might charge for books or materials. Community colleges and continuing education programs also offer structured training, often with a certificate at the end. Another path is to start as a volunteer with the IRS's VEDA or TCE programs. These programs provide free training and hands-on practice preparing returns under supervision. That experience looks good on a resume and often leads to paid roles. There is one legal step you can't skip: applying for a Preparer Tax Identification Number or PTIN from the IRS. You must have this before you can prepare taxes for pay. Most states don't require additional licensing, but a few, like California, Maryland, New York, Oregon, and Vermont, do have extra requirements. So it's important to check your state's rules before you sign up for training. The timeline also matters. Hiring and training start as early as September, and courses usually wrap up by December, so you're ready for clients in January. If you wait until the new year, you may miss the window and have to wait another season. Another route many retirees don't realize is working through staffing agencies or tax services firms that match preparers with companies. These agencies sometimes hire preparers as contractors or employees and then place them with their client firms. Agencies such as JDA TSG, for example, offer remote seasonal preparer roles. Working through an agency can reduce the overhead of finding clients yourself and provide a steadier stream of assignments. If you work as a seasonal employee, the average pay is around $18 to $22 an hour. With more experience, specialized skills, or if you're in a higher cost area, you can earn in the high 20s per hour. Income varies a lot depending on where you live. Coastal and urban states, think California, New York, or Massachusetts, often pay significantly more because of higher living costs. Rural areas tend to pay less, but competition is lighter and overhead is lower. Some preparers make their money by doing a high volume of returns at modest rates, while others specialize in complex cases and charge more. In practice, a retiree working part-time for a tax firm can expect to bring in a few $1,000s during the season, while independent preparers with a modest client base may reach low five figures in a single season. One of the least discussed aspects of tax prep is client stress. Many clients arrive anxious or embarrassed about disorganized records, unexpected income, or fear of owing money. March and April can bring a wave of panic clients, late, disorganized, or worried about audits. What helps is maintaining a calm, professional manner, providing clear checklists of what clients need to bring, taking time to explain the why behind deductions and credits, and setting boundaries. Remember, you can't fix someone's financial habits, but you can guide them through the filing process with less fear. For many retirees, this mix of technical work and people support is actually rewarding. It blends problem solving with reassurance. There are challenges, deadlines are tight, and March especially can feel like a sprint. Tax laws change every year, so you'll need to keep learning. Workloads spike, so your schedule won't always be leisurely during tax season. And because the income is concentrated into one season, you'll need to plan ahead financially. Finally, tax preparation can feel repetitive if you don't enjoy structure and detail. This is a good fit for retirees who enjoy puzzles and problem solving, who stay calm under pressure, and who like structured, detail-oriented work. It suits those who want seasonal bursts of income without heavy physical demands, and who like helping others navigate something they find stressful. It's less suited for people who dislike paperwork, get easily rattled by deadlines, or prefer steady monthly income year-round. Here's a roadmap if you'd like to get started. Research fall training courses at H&R Block, Liberty, Jackson Hewitt, or your local college. Apply early between September and December. Register for your PTIN with the IRS. Complete training by year's end so you're ready for January. Decide whether you want to work remotely or in an office setting. If you'd like to ease in, volunteer with VETA or TCE. After 1 or 2 seasons, you may decide to build your own client base or specialize in an area like retirees, rental property owners, or gig workers. We've also created a step-by-step checklist to help you take action. The link is in the description. You'll also find all the resources mentioned, training programs, PTIN info, and volunteer opportunities, linked there as well. At the end of the day, our role is to research and share the best options so you can design retirement your way. More freedom, less stress, and income that supports your lifestyle. So could tax preparation be the side hustle that helps you top up your retirement income? It's flexible, seasonal, and steady. If you're willing to put in focused work for a few months and then enjoy the freedom that follows, tax preparation might just be the path that funds your retirement freedom. Please subscribe so you'll be notified as soon as we release more side hustle reviews to help guide your journey.